If you are also struggling with DSA, you are not consistent, lack of resources, don't worry. In today's video, I'm gonna share complete resource and you can join our DSA community where you can ask doubts, ask from peers, or you can help others. So don't skip this video. In this kit, you'll get everything from roadmaps to courses, blogs, cheat sheets, many things. Okay, before starting the video, if you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe. You'll get all the resources related to placement, opportunities, updates, and everything. If you need any particular resource, don't forget to comment. I'm gonna curate for you guys. So I made this kit where I have curated everything from roadmaps, core concept, books, courses and videos, problem sheets, practice platform, topic wise resources. You have competitive programming platform, interview preparation, cheat sheets, and visualization tools, communities where you can join and ask queries, blogs, newsletters, GitHub repositories, which has more unlimited of resources, language specific resources, system design, and key articles. Okay, so starting with the roadmap. Well, I have already shared a roadmap earlier, data structure, where you'll get the roadmap with all the free resources here, like the playlist which you can follow. Okay, and you will also get interview questions. So that is also added in this. And then you have some other platforms roadmaps because you have lots of option from which you can follow because everyone understand differently. So I have added many resources which fits for you. You can follow that. Then you have Fang interview roadmap by this person, CS Dojo beginners roadmap, the blind 75 need code interview bit learning track. Then you have core concepts like you first need to understand big O notation time complexity concept. So start with that if you're starting to learn DSA because you should know this first. Then you're gonna optimize your algorithms. Okay. Then you have data structure overview like visualization. So if I open any of the link, it will redirect to that link where you'll get everything like visualize algo. So here you have sorting, array, bit mask in a visualization form. Okay, then you have books, then free courses like from MIT, Stanford. So these are some are on uh, Coursera, but you know you can learn for free. Like they offer free for certification. You can apply for a financial aid, right? You can enroll for free and complete this course. Then you have a structured paid courses which can be helpful. Many people prefer paid courses because they maintain consistency. When you pay, you get serious and you follow. So if you are looking, you can check these paid courses. Then you have YouTube channels. I'm not promoting this, but you can do YouTube channels, problem sheets like lead code top 75. It's very important if you are preparing for Fang Mang companies. Then you have need code, right? So you have competitive programming resources like these are the platform where you can practice like lead code, code forces. These are big platforms where people practice. Then you have general practice on like GFG and many more. Topic wise resources for array. You already know that GFG is a very good platform for DSA and you must be practicing. Then need code. So here you will get topic wise resources for all the DSA topics, right? Linked list, stack, queue, recursion, sorting, and then you have interview preparation. These are the GitHub repositories, blogs, portals where you get everything for interview, like mock interview, okay, star method, system design interviews, company cheat sheets for quick reference, big O cheat sheets, lead code pattern, string algorithm, and many more. Then some visualization and tools which can be very helpful. So check all these resources. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. If this video was helpful,